What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at a total Sony WF-1000XM3 alternative I picked up from Target for $80. Yep, that's right, these are the JBL Tune 120 TWS Pure Bass Zero Cables wireless headset I picked up at Target. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and our first impressions of them and see how they sound. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. We've got 16 hours battery life, voice control for Siri, Alexa, Bixby, Google Assistant. We've got Bluetooth. These have won the Red Dot Design Award for 2019. They're totally wireless, like I've said before. As you can tell by looking at the box, the headphones themselves do have touch controls. And if you actually just look at them, they sort of look like the Sony WF-1000XM3. They even have a similar charge case, and they actually lay inside the charge case very similarly to the Sony WF-1000XM3. I'm usually pretty pleased with JBL earbuds and headphones in general. I think they offer a pretty good sound for the price. Also, they're advertising 15 minutes equals 1 hour of charge time. A lot of modern day earbuds offer 5 minutes for 1 hour of listening time. So these sort of fall behind the WF-1000XM3 in that respect. The earbuds themselves, when fully charged, hold 4 hours of battery life, while the charge case themselves holds 12 hours of battery life. So let's go ahead and get into the box and hear how they sound. I've actually already cut the tape open on the bottom here because I wanted to make this unboxing experience a little bit better. So the plastic box just slides right on out, and as you can see, you get the earbuds themselves. As you can see, the charge case is very similar to the F1000XM3s, the WF1000XM3s. They are pretty intuitive to put into the charge case. They snap right into place just like the Sony WF1000XM3s do. You get the LED indicator lights on the front of the charge case, and you also get LED indicator lights on the headphones themselves. Now, they do have automatic connect, so when I do take these out of the charging case, yeah, we'll see how these sound. So let's let them charge up for a few minutes, and I'll be back in just a second as soon as these are done charging. Okay, so if we go into Bluetooth here, and we put the earbuds in, as we can see, they come right up, JBL Tune 120 TWS. If you hold the touch control down for 5 seconds, you are able to pair to Bluetooth and turn them on at the same time. If you hold the touch control down for 2 seconds, that's just your basic turn them on or off. So I think you'll, for the most part, want to keep these on and just take them in and out of the charging case as you do so that they connect to your phone automatically, just like the Apple AirPods or the Sony WF-1000XM3s. So as you can see, they are connected. JBL Tune 120 TWS. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to these for a few minutes, and then I'll check back in with you guys and let you know what I think. Okay guys, so the verdict is in, and the verdict is I am spoiled. That's the verdict. I am a spoiled music listener. These sound similar to the original AirPods. So they're a little bit on the weak side, they're a little bit tinny. You have to listen to them at a high volume to be able to listen to them enjoyably, I think. Also, I was a little bit disappointed in JBL not including a proprietary application to use with these pair of earbuds. I actually downloaded the JBL My Headphones application, hoping that I would actually be able to connect them and maybe access more features, but I was unable to do so, which puts these behind the other alternative earbuds in terms of audio quality and in terms of functionality, I think. Overall, pretty good package. Not the best sounding earbuds I've ever listened to. The only difference between these and the Sony WF-1000XM3s are that these do not have active noise cancellation or an ambient pass-through feature. But definitely a total Sony WF-1000XM3 alternative you can pick up at Target. I picked up at Target for 80 bucks. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the JBL Harman Tune 120 TWS wireless earbuds I picked up at Target for 80 bucks, which makes them a big box good and a total WF-1000XM3 alternative. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.